Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the last 5 balls of the Taco Bell series from Miniverse. Let's get into it. Alright, so we got the Agua Refresca and chips and nacho cheese sauce. This is the second drink of the series. Cool. Tortilla chips. Let's take a peek and see what these look like on the inside. These are cute. Nacho cheese sauce. Dragon fruit pieces. Ice cubes. Dragon fruit berry. Tastes like 000. Oh, tastes like ooh. Okay. Ball topper. Straw. Cheese cup. Our purple tray. Tongs. Cool little tumbler cup. I love these cups. And a little bag to hold our chips. And there you have it, the Agua Refresca Nacho Chips and Cheese. Let's go on to the next one. Nachos Bellgrande. Tomatoes and sour cream. I'm assuming there's a dollop of sour cream in there. Yep. Seasoned beef and refried beans. Kinetic sand again. Tortilla chips. I'm assuming these look the same as the previous ball we just opened. Yes. Tray. Takeout container. Anyways, this is the same container as the Cantina chicken. Nacho cheese sauce. Ball topper. And that's it. Let's see what we have up next. Ooh, this looks like the pizza. Could tell already. Mexican pizza. Mexican pizza sauce. Ball topper. Our tray. Tongs. We got a new one today. This is Diablo. Diced tomatoes. 3 cheese blend. Mexican pizza shells. Refried beans. Alright, I just butchered opening that. And last item out of this kit, and it's the seasoned beef. And that was the Mexican pizza kit. We have 2 balls to go. Last one's going to be the limited edition. Black bean grilled cheese burrito. I got like 6 of these for duplicates. First thing up is our burrito wrapper. Okay. Sour cream fiesta tortilla strips and 3 cheese blend. Flour tortillas. Seasoned rice, which is the kinetic sand. Black beans. Yay, we got a lot of beans. Our tray, always. Tongs. Chipotle sauce. Ball topper. And 2 more sauce packets. Diablo and hot. That's all the components for the black bean grilled cheese burrito. And for the grand finale, the last ball is the special edition cheesy Gordita crunch. First up, we have flatbread shells. Very rubbery, really cool texture. Okay, so we have our crunch wrap wrappers. Looks like we get 3. A box. These are crunchy taco shells. You get 3 of them in here. Three cheese blend resin. Seasoned beef. Cheese and lettuce. Last bag. Black Taco Bell tray. And what appears to be a taco holder. This was the special edition cheesy Gordita crunch and crunchy tacos. And that's a wrap of the Taco Bell series from Miniverse. If you liked this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see these tiny tacos come to life, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those build videos. If you haven't seen part 1 of this unboxing, go check that out and let me know in the comments which recipe is your favorite. Bye!